Today we are discussing about the ETL Informatica architecture. So Informatica Power Center architecture. So here we have a domain node configuration, means the core services, application services and client tools we have. So first we'll discuss what are the core services, then we'll discuss application and client tools. So how we are designing this node domain configuration and how we are preparing these application services, then we'll discuss the client tools. In core services, we are designing domain node configuration. So I'll give you one example. So here we have node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4. So in one domain, the domain means the combination of nodes. Node is nothing but a physical mission. So now I installed Informatica in my system. My system works like a node. Okay, the combination of nodes we can call as a domain. So here we have 4 nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4. 4 nodes we have. So different types of nodes we have, those are gateway nodes and worker nodes. So here this first and second or gateway nodes, the third and fourth worker nodes. So in first and second, the first node is master gateway node. So in this domain, the master gateway node is entry point to the domain. So you are using node 2, you prepared a flow, you started execution. First that request, it's going to your node 2 through node 1 master gateway, because that is the entry point. The master gateway node will check your request is authorized request or not, you have that authentications or not, everything it will check first. Then only it will allow to send your request into the node 2 gateway. Okay. In this case, for example, you design these 4 nodes in your domain. Suddenly you got some database crashes. At that time, the node 1 performance will down. At the same time, to improve that performance, to run that services, the second node will act as a master gateway node. Okay, any type of issues, and if you face any type of problems with the master gateway node, the next second we can elect the other nodes as a master gateways to continue the services. So we can say there is no service downtime issues in Power Center architecture. So Informatica is a service oriented architecture. So using this parallelism, so we can enable another nodes like a master at any type of issue. Okay, but worker node will not elect as a master. Worker node contain only node configuration access. Node 3 and node 4 will not elect as a masters. Only gateway nodes we can select for master gateway nodes. So we can create these nodes in the configuration of the nodes. Multiple nodes we can create, and we can create repository on different nodes also. Okay, and next So those are the core services. So here I'll explain one example. So this is the domain. In this domain you have 3 nodes. This is the master gateway, normal gateway, and worker node. At this point, worker node and gateway node contain same properties, node configuration, logging, and application services. But master gateway contain all alerts, authentications, authorization, domain configuration, node configuration, licensing, and logging, because this is the entry point domain. Okay, so you see here one example. So this client belongs to node B. Okay, sorry, this client belongs to node A, but here the master gateway is the node B. Okay, first client sending his request to the node B. So the service manager will check for the authentication, authorization, the complete privilege details of the client. Then he is replying to that request. So after that, the client can access the parent node. From the parent node, we can connect to the repository database. So this is the process in the configuration time based on the types of the nodes. This process will happen. Okay, and next, these are the core services totally. Domain and node configuration. Node nothing but it's a physical machine. Domain nothing but it's a combination of nodes. So in the node we have 2 types, gateway nodes and worker nodes. Gateway nodes, in the gateway nodes we have one master gateway node, that is the entry point to the domain. Any service related issues, we can select the other gateway nodes as master gateways. Using that master gateways, we can continue the services. We can continue the services. Okay, next we can discuss about application services. Okay, that is the next topic. Thank you.